Hey, what's up guys? I know it's literally been forever since you've seen a video. Man, I've just been busy with the family, putting this channel to the side a little bit to spend extra time with my son, my wife. And I've been riding my mountain bike a ton, been working on my daily driver car a lot, just kind of chilling and not taking this YouTube thing extremely seriously, or at least, you know, not putting it in front of my family and stuff I want to do. Anyway, I have a lot I need to talk about. I have like 3 or 4 videos already filmed that I'm kind of trying to get the last pieces in there, so there will be some more videos. I took a whole week off, hopefully to have some time to publish these videos for you guys and kind of stagger them out. Thanks for bearing with me. Again, I know it's been forever. In this video, if you follow Backwoods Adventure Mods, you guys know I work for them full time. That's what I do for my main job. Maybe you've seen this video, but for those that haven't, I'm gonna run the same video that I made for Backwoods when we went to Rendezvous, the Ozarks this year, earlier in October. It's a pretty short video, but it just kind of captures the vibe and kind of what we experienced there on the trip. If you didn't know, that trip, we decided to open up our booth for everybody. Didn't matter what vehicle you drove or anything like that. If you came to the Rendezvous event and you wanted to camp with us and hang with us and wheel with us, you could. So this is kind of a recap of that video, or a recap of that trip, excuse me. There was about, I don't know, 20 or so rigs throughout the weekend that kind of hung out with us. But before I roll that short video, I want to tell you a few updates, particularly some people I'm working with now. The first one is Huckberry. I actually did a video, my last video I mentioned them. Basically, it's a really cool curated outdoor gear website. So they have brands like Patagonia, like this jacket I'm wearing. They have big brands like that. But they also have a lot of smaller USA made brands that you probably haven't heard of that are really cool. They do a lot of good EDC wear, gear, things like that, and even stuff for your truck. Like I've got some stuff from them in my truck right now. Sweet beanies, cool flannels, jeans, stuff like that from a gazillion brands. And again, it's like really curated, nice stuff. It's not just kind of crap. All right, next up, we have a new channel sponsor, Roller Cam. If you guys don't know about Roller Cam, which I actually knew about them for a while, but it took me forever to jump on the bandwagon. Don't know why. Probably because I actually used one for the first time and I figured out why they're so cool. So basically what they are is really, really cool straps. I know that sounds dumb and pointless, and probably honestly why I never got them in the first place, but they're so handy. It's one of those things you don't really think they're cool until you use them. So they have this little roller pin built into the buckle so you can really pull it tight and cinch down whatever you want. There's a gazillion different sizes. You can use them like not just overlanding stuff, you can use them in your garage, around the house, everything like that. So, oh, I even have these. Check these out. Peep these. These are some Chacos that are custom overland edition. So this is an alucab strap and then a roller cam buckle. My buddy J.O. made these for me. Super sick, but seriously, you can use them like anywhere. Love them. And also these roller cams are actually pretty cheap. They're not super expensive, so it's not one of those like gazillion-dollar mods you can get. Something you'll use quite often. Also for the Huckberry stuff and the roller cam stuff, please click the links down below or on my website. Those help me out a ton, and it's just a faster way for you to check the goods. All right, next update, I want to tell you about True Labs. Now, this is something I was kind of hesitant on introducing the channel and really endorsing in general because this is an off-road channel. You guys know that. I don't go into food or drink or anything like that, but this was a personal experience that I just had to share. True Labs is a relatively small company. They're growing pretty good right now. The story on how I met True Labs and kind of came into the brand and stuff, I went to the Overland of America show in Oklahoma. We were doing a Barbie downhill Jeep race. It was super hot out there. This dude pulls up with a side-by-side with like 3 or 4 coolers on the back. Of course, I go over there, he's handing out drinks, and I get a drink. And I'm like, dude, this tastes amazing. Like, I don't care what it is. It's so good. It's so good. So anyway, drank a bunch there, and then I took some sample packs home with me. And it turns out they're like this really hydrating drink mix. They have one that like detoxes you. They have some for like greens and energy and sleep. Had no idea. I just burned through all of the sample packs, and I actually bought some. I think it was actually just at Walmart. I don't drink enough water as it is, and this stuff makes it way easier. I can pound one of these things really easy, especially when I go camping and stuff, or even when in general, I just don't drink enough water and I get headaches. Please, this isn't like a sales pitch. I'm just explaining my experience, and I found a cool product like very organically. This wasn't something that was like sent in my email and, you know, please sponsor this. No, this is real. All right, super quick, I'm gonna open this box. But if I didn't mention it before, very clean ingredients, super good for you, made in America. But anyway, I tried, I think, several of these during that show, and I was like, dude, these are so good. So, see, I already busted open one and drank one this morning. Like, even if they didn't have any benefits, I would like to drink them because they taste so good. But we got one for greens. This one's for sleep. A little shaker bottle in here. Very awesome. So thank you guys. Thank you, True Labs. I really appreciate the care package. And even if they didn't send this to me, I would buy them anyway because they're actually pretty cheap and they're super good. And I suck at drinking water. I have a code for 20% off of this stuff if you guys want to give it a try. If you don't, that's fine. You know, I don't care. Whatever. I'm just sharing this with you. But 20% off in the description or on my website. You can click that link and save you some dollars. Okay, last thing, I promise, and then we'll go to the video. If you're not using OnX Offroad by now, like how many times do I have to tell you guys? Come on, you've seen me say this a gazillion times. Check out OnX Offroad if you haven't already. I have a 20% off code. Link is in the description. Click that link, it'll save you 20%. The whole annual membership is super cheap anyway, so even if you try it, you're not losing much. It's the way I map all my trails. It's the way I save my campsites. I mark waypoints, all that kind of stuff. Without it, you're going to the trails. You're going to all these places blind. So I highly recommend that you download that app. Check out all the good stuff. Everybody's doing it. You got to do it. It's easy. Just do it. All right, we'll go to the video. Promise.
I was on fire, our house, our dreams. We were dancing on a wire, reckless it seemed. We found holes in these walls, we like what we saw. Seems so strong until it falls, the final straw. Oh, I never felt like this before. When I was trapped, you showed an open door. Living in a dark, clouded haze, we danced, we fought. We were bound to make mistakes, real love, we thought. But it was always on fire, our house, our dreams. We were dancing on wire, reckless it seemed. I never felt like this before. When I was trapped, you showed an open door. I had no reason to complain. dancing on the wire.